Sanibonani Dumelang Mzansi. Welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyathembana. Now, do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Sirame, bringing you the heat, honey. I fix, I destroy, I neutralize. I'm back and unbothered and back to fix the country. Let's get it. Sanibonani Dumelang Mzansi. Welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyathembana. Now, do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Sirame. Ntombi yaseGqeberha. And I go around these streets testing your loyalty, and in the process, of course, I make sure Ziyamporo. Ma, best believe if you are Yuruza, I will find you. Stay tuned. It's about to go bananas.
Simfanele sima uzosho ukuthi akwazi.
Hey, angihlangene noSimami.
What is Vanessa? She's a baby mama and what? Found a couple. We'll wait for them here. Alright, son. Hi guys. How are you? I'm good. I'm sorry to ambush you guys. I just want to ask you a few questions. I'm Lisa from CMTV.
CMTV.
Yes. Do you know CMTV? Guys, come closer. Huh? Lisa.
Lisa. So when I do it, I started to people about the questions.
Yes. Why? Do you know CMTV?
Angengiyizwa yompahla leyo la ku YouTube kanje. Kodwa nje hayi.
Come closer guys, the cars.
Sengaba imoto ngiyakhuluma la.
But like I feel like it's not a big deal.
Okay. Is it in questions zakho okay?
It's fine. Okay guys, can we please move to the side? Okay, my doll. This side please. Stand this side. Right, this side, sir. I want to be in between you guys.
Yes.
Okay, name?
Ya ngulungani.
Lungani and?
I'm Z.
Z.
Yes.
How long have you been with him?
It's 3 years now.
3 years.
Hey, wait, 3 years, and it?
Yeah, 3 years.
It's not
Still
3
going
years.
strong.
Yeah, ngasho kanjalo. Yeah.
Okay, do you trust your women?
Yeah, ngiyamthemba kakhulu.
Kakhulu.
Yeah, ngiyamthemba.
From a scale of 1 to 10, what is it?
Mfethu ngithemba ngayo yonke nje indlela mfethu.
So 10 out of 10.
Yeah, 10 out of 10.
Okay, and you?
Shy. Yeah, nami ngiyamthemba as Acho.
10 out of 10.
Yes.
So in the 3 years, there's nothing that's happened that's weird.
No shame. Ngabe ndiyamsukela. Akho kwanto. Si right?
Really? How do you know about Kokwando?
No, senjba. Hi, si right. Si right.
It's right.
Ewe.
Have you ever checked his phone?
No, andiqhela into phathi phone yakhe. Phone yami. So,
Okay. Okay. And how do you feel about that? Phone
Yeah.
yakhe.
Yeah, phone yakhe. Because the betting yakhe angiyazi. Yeah, ma.
Kanti why ufuna zonke?
Okay, well, okay, I'm gonna get to the point. Come closer, guys. Sanunibaleka.
Kanti utheni
I don't
ubuza zonke
bite.
izinto ezi?
Okay, let me get straight to the point, ne? Here we basically make couples switch phones. You check his phone and he checks your phone for 60 seconds.
for what? For Ntoni?
Loyalty, kaloku test loyalty. Is your person
Imake sisters imake. Kutheni siza testa sizafuna ukwenza iassurity ngeloyalty yethu kuwe.
Kaloku I stopped you, right?
For Ntoni?
For Landa.
Hoyibo.
Anifuni guys.
Whoa, ima yabona bengicinga uyadlala but now is serious. Thina sizoxela wena ngerelationship yethu. Kahlathi ufuna ukwazi ngathi?
Yes.
No girl, no.
Guys,
No.
Okay,
Ima.
I mean, you guys stopped and you entertained me, right? We might as well finish what we started.
Sisi, you angeke.
You fine?
Ya siqhubeke.
Right?
He's
Ya
fine.
siqhubeke.
Okanye uyamfuna?
Hayi ke ngayo.
Angifuni ngithi manje isikhumbuzise.
Hayi njani?
No, itheni uzawufuna why sizawuze sithinta namafoni to prove kuye umuntu ongamazi? Uyamazi?
Andimaze laphi son?
Hayi sisi angeke.
You don't want to see what's in your man's phone.
No, not ukuthi andifuna ukubona but ndiyamthemba mos ndiyamthemba nangxaki ndiyamthemba.
But he's willing. Ukube ne chance to check your man's phone.
Unayi boyfriend? So intoni lenzayo? Utheni ufuna uzifaka ngenhloko endabeni zabantu? Utheni ufuna uzifaka?
But I check his phone.
Wena you check his phone. Wena ungenaphi efonini yakhe? That's why ndithi
Check. Mna kandichekile.
you hi guys
In case
hayi.
he's doing something that I don't like.
Wena ungayithandi uyayibona? That's why ndithi niyafunana. That's why ndithi niyazana nina nenza mnisidenge apha.
Awulu.
No.
How long do I know you?
Next.
Utheni wena
Angimazi.
but uvumela yonke into eshiwo ngilosisi? You hi guys hayi.
Ndinomlomo mnandi, sebenza umlomo mnandi.
Hayi uyawusebenzisa nyani. Lento yenza lonto ofuna uyenza yenza. Inandaba. Thathe. Ayinangxaki mina nangxaki but into engxaki yami leni ba uzawumiswa ngusizwe hamba nezigora apha because unezigora uvele uvume yonke into wena. Thatha sisithathe. No, ithathe ifoni yakho.
Kakhulu kuyena.
Okay.
Ayikho into mhlawumbe ingayenza noma
You're not hiding anything.
Because usho why ke ngosawuze sitshintshe phones? Because usho
Look,
mina
stand up for
ndiyathemba.
me.
Uyazi ba mina ndiyakuthemba. Akho nxa nami uyanithemba mos andithi ushilo.
Ngephe yakho? Yilena neyakho?
Eyakhe le kalunga le yami le.
Okay, so we'll start with your one.
Okay.
The pattern. Now, do you have a pattern or password?
Yeah, I do. Sure, sawuziwe nefoni yami ngenxa yini.
Right. Awuna confession to make?
No.
Okay. All right. Okay. Okay, type I love you. Okay. That's you, Musna.
Ya mina kuphela la.
Okay, delete.
Ngibona omunye umuntu.
Type I miss you.
Ya kusavela mina
Ah,
namanje.
it's fun. Delete, type
Kusavela mina.
thank you.
Ya manje.
Yeah, it's
Uma wakhe lo munye. Ya mina lo munye angiboni lutho kusolisayo la.
delete, type outside.
Outside. Ya still savela mina masisi.
Yeah, it's fun. Type babe.
Still savela mina la.
Delete, type pregnant. Come closer, eh?
Ya kusavela mina still mangithatha ma.
Nothing weird.
Kukho kutheni.
Delete, type, delete, then type morning after pill.
Next kusavela
Nothing.
mina futhi akukho futhi kusolisayo la.
Yeah, it's fun. Delete and type arrived. Still.
Ya still la. Ashithi lo muntu
Delete, type bank details.
Ama-bank details la. Amusi sethembana umuntu angithemba lo nami ngiyamthemba wo yabo.
Okay.
Vele umuntu.
Right. Phone clean.
Sawutheni?
What do you mean?
Bentheni kuwe?
Kaloku we still need to go through
Ayikho into
his phone.
ayifunayo ayikho because uzawuthola into efanayo nalapho.
Oh, are you sure?
Yes, ndiyamthemba umuntu wami.
Okay. If ufumane
Yazi wena ingxaki yakho wenza izigoro wahamba nazo. Nalento uzethemba okanye amadoda abantu.
Funa amadoda abantu.
Akho nto ihlekayo siza yihlekayo apha. Wena uyilenhlobo efuna amadoda abantu okanye efuna ukumosha imishado yabantu, i-relationships zabantu.
Bathi angitshadanga mas.
Into yes, yeah, that's why unje.
Exactly,
That's why unje.
awutshadanga.
Anjani but umuntu wami lo.
Akakutshadanga.
Okusele ngowami.
Akusalayo single. As long as you're not married to single, akusalayo.
Uphumaphi ungaphi?
Hayi ngendawo. Sorry, Musa. Ngowaphi wena?
Uzakwenza ntoni?
Ngowaphi wena?
Uzakwenza ntoni?
Ngowaphi wena?
Kwasephiko. Yazi yandibhora shame.
Iza, Masense. Go to WhatsApp. Okay. Type I love you.
Ewe.
Okay, search. You know, first scroll. That's not. Is that you? Lunga.
Lunga, I love you abangaka.
Nes.
And it's not to her only.
Akusondi ndodwa apha.
Ya khona nobosisi bami la.
Ye wena osisi bakho abanye ndiyabazi abanye osisi bakho ndiyabazi abanye osisi uzola ngosisi wakho.
Hayi bo.
Usisi wakho uzola? Usisi wakho uzola wena?
Usisi wami umazi lothi uhlala.
Ungazona
hip.
Lunga. Ungazonibhanqa wena.
Angase ngitshele usisi wami.
Cindeke nawe man, fuseke.
Ungasho kanjani?
Khawungene pha.
Usisi wakho uyamthanda naye utshela.
Khajonga pictures.
Njengobhuti wakhe.
Just look at the pictures.
Kunye lapho.
Ungiqhela kakubi wena.
Lunga.
Yeke wena. Yeke.
Uyayuruza.
Yeke. Futheke wena. Futheke.
Ungathi ngiyakufebela la.
Uyinja wena sathana.
Excuse me.
Ngikuthemba kangaka.
Uthini?
Angimenzeli lutho mfethu angiyezi lonto leyo uthi uyayenza.
What do you mean uzola?
Ha uzola abanye abangani bami engihlala nabo la.
Yeke man.
But she's sending you nudes, man.
Happy.
Yeni man.
Bebe uyenza kanjani nje manje lento le?
She's sending
Ha bebe.
Uyangiqhela lo khani.
Ithini nto? Explain.
Yazi lo ima
Ya vele
Explain uzola.
no inkinga vele lo masister anginelisi.
Yazini lo.
What?
Vele anginelisi umntana.
Lo ngiqalele lo last uthe uqanda ndimnika i1000 ethi ufuna ugcwesela emalini eLearners khanja ndini ubufuna ubheja sifebe sakho uyangiqhela wena futheke iphi proof kwaza uyiveze
Vele na ukuthi vele na.
ufile lo ngiqhela kakhulu
Uthi vele na anginelisi.
kanti ifunani iBen 10 khona
Futheke anginelisi vele mele ukuthi ngithini kanti. Ha vele imali yakhe ngidlile mele ukuthi ngenze njani ngoba phela vele manje wena uza kimi wena
ungazongiqhela uyangiqhela sathana
ngane nginawo kodwa phela
wena usifuna nisalukazi cause nguwe weza kum wanjela lo ebeguqa amadolo apha eza kuma ezongcenga khanja ndini
ngane futhi angiboni inkinga lapho mina vele umdala nginami nto.
Do you want to call uzola?
uyandiqhela
Uzola, how long have you been with uzola?
Awuzola futhi mhlawumbe sinama 3 weeks nyana nje kuphela. Hayi uthini?
Kuyo le 3 weeks ulapha bengicela khona imali lo. Kuyo le 3 weeks ebengicela khona imali. Ebekhupha uzola kakade.
Angashaya linazi leyo ukuthi ngiyenze.
Lena zibi proof yena.
Ayisendlini vele ngisho endlini bengeke ngize ngiphathe la vele ngoba uyazi la ukuthi ngiyenzile kade akusangithembi wena. Ngalento le. Phela
Ndikuthemba ntoni because uyaziveza ba uyinja wena uthembeki. Yube ndikwethemba shembe ndikuthemba. Bendukuthemba.
Let me call Zola. Do you want to call Zola?
Zawuthini kulozola ngizawuthini kuyi? Because nguye lo nja le hambe yaya kuye. Ngifuna udila nale nja mina. Anandaba nazola. Ngifuna udila nalo.
I know. Kodwa phela kodwa inkinga yami ukuthi ngisamthe. Azi inkinga yami kodwa nani niyasiqhatha man. Mina lo muntu lo muntu wami lo kodwa manje sisehambela la endleleni sekuvela nini? Ha kodwa phela vele kuyafana. Kuyafana. No awuthi ngifuna imali yakho nawe ubungiphi imali vele bengengqaba mangiphi imali. Imali yakho umuntu ongafuna imali ayigodi. Ya vele ngikuthanda kodwa wena ungithanda.
But you're cheating with uzola mas.
Angithanda phela vele kumele ngibalansise umdala nginami mhlawumbe le nto leyo angazi ngisho. Kumele ngibalansisa kancane nothi ukuthi mhlawumbe kanjani yabo.
Umuntu ufuna ubalance ake do you hear that?
Akandiyeke ayikuzola. Because angeke ngikwazi dispenda too much for lo mfana. Because bendimthanda bencima ndiyamthanda and when bencima siyathandana. Kanti yena uyuza mina. Yes. Undiyuzile le nja le.
I think umyeke.
Ndiyamyeka kakade andifune kwanto and ukhulile khavela. Ndiyayifuna.
Ungayenza kanjani lento le?
Yonke into endithengeleyo namfuna.
Khulula ikhavela lunga.
Angayenza kanjani lento le ngingamane ngikhumbule la.
We'll take you home.
Shithi sonke lesikhathi ngikupha sona mina la uthini?
Andisena ndaba nasifuna yonke into yami.
Umzimba wami lo ngiwenzayo. Umzimba wami lo ngisunginika wona. Hayi hayi. Ah lutho uthi ngiyahleka, uthi ngiyahleka, uthi ngiyahleka.
Ndifuna ikhavela yami
Nike khavela yakhe. Lunga, don't make this difficult. Don't make this difficult. Don't make this difficult. Don't make this difficult. Hey, khavela.
ayikho kwezadlubileyo kodwa sezawuyenza indodlana.
I also think so.
Sezawuyenza indodlana. Thanks futhi.
I think we're all happy.
Ndizawuya ndiyokondlula ndiyomendlula into zam zonke ndimthengele zona ndivuke ekuseni le nja le iyeke umsebenzi ebesebenza erestaurant wathi phaya abamphathi kakuhle ibhosi yapha ayimphathi kakuhle wabuya wahlala phansi okondimnakile ubuye wazohlala nami uncame wabuya wazohlala nami because ebehlulwa irent wabuya wazohlala nami ndimhlalisa endlini yami uloku ehamba ngama-weekend ethi uyakumamakhe utseke umama akho kanti nguzola anandaba nawe wena uzola wakho funeka kubona
Ngibonisela abantu. Ngibonisela labantu lapha. Uqala ukubabona.
yes anandaba nonqa ubabona
I think bye.
anyway
Where's his phone?
anyway bendikusola but enkosi because univezele inyani uncedile ukuthanda wakho indaba kuncedile ekugqibeleni
Yeah.
sure vaya mfethu vaya kodwa undinde
Nigga, you're not the only nigga in the world. Nigga, please.
Mhlawumbe ngoba vele nani hayi ngeke.
Like, Kintiza. These niggas think they the prize, guys. Anyway, it's none of my business. All right, it is a wrap from me. My name is Lisa Sirame. Do follow me on Instagram, Lisa Sirame _ See you later. Sanbonani Dumelang Mzansi, welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niya Tembanana. Do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Sirame. Don't be yase pebecha. And I go around these streets testing your loyalty, and in the process, of course, I make sure Ziyamporo ma. Best believe if we are Yuruza, I will find you. Stay tuned. It's about to go bananas.
simfanele usima uzosho ukuthi akwazi
Hey, angihlangene nosimami.
Hi, princess. What is Vanessa? She's a baby mama and what?